Need to register a new deal in the partner portal? Let's walk through it step by step. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Here you can track your live sales, open deals, and pipeline revenue. To get started, click Register a Deal. You'll first see the availability checkers. Use this to check coverage in specific areas before proceeding. Next, scroll down to Deal Information and enter your customer's business name. To add a new customer, click Add Customer and type Add. This will open a new form where you can enter the customer's details. Fill in all required fields marked with an asterisk, then submit to save the customer. Choose the available tariff and contract term. If the customer needs a new number, select Number Selection Email. This allows the customer to choose their number from a list sent via email. Enter the installation address and add any notes if needed, for example, a scheduled follow-up. Once everything is complete, click Submit Lead. Your new lead will now appear under Open Deals. And that's it. Your deal is successfully registered and ready to be tracked.